When I discovered this, I started saving a lot on cleaning my house. Many cleaning products contain harsh chemicals, but a cost-effective and eco-friendly alternative can be found in everyday household items. One such method is using a simple mixture to disinfect the toilet. First, prepare a large bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of salt to the bowl. Salt is particularly effective at removing limescale, which is a common problem in toilets. Next, add a cup of vinegar to the salt. Vinegar is well known for its disinfecting properties. Mix the salt and vinegar thoroughly. Once you have a uniform mixture, add 500 milliliters of water. Stir until the salt is completely dissolved. When the solution is ready, pour it into a spray bottle for easy application. Use this homemade cleaner just like you would any commercial cleaning product. Spray it on the toilet surface, scrub as usual, and watch as it effectively cleans and disinfects. By using this natural cleaning solution, you're not only saving money, but also contributing to a healthier environment. Pour the contents of this bottle into the toilet. It will be clean and shiny like new. The dirt will disappear. If you also enjoy cleanliness, everything properly disinfected and smelling fresh, then this method is for you. I'll give you a very simple but effective recipe for a mixture that will clean the toilet, sink, and tiles. You'll also get rid of the unpleasant smell from the toilet. Everything in the bathroom will shine and smell pleasant. Pour 1 liter of water into a bowl. The water should be at room temperature. Add 150 milliliters of any dishwashing liquid. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda absorbs unpleasant odors, softens water. It is slightly abrasive, so it effectively removes stains and dirt. It also has bactericidal properties. Also, add 3 teaspoons of hair bleach. It's an oxidizer, but stronger than 3% hydrogen peroxide. It effectively whitens and removes stains. It works great for cleaning ceramic toilets and sinks. Add half a cap of fabric softener. This will make the bathroom smell pleasant. Pour everything into any bottle. I'll use a bottle from a drink and make a hole in the cap, but you can use a spray bottle. Spray the inside of the toilet and scrub. You don't need to use store-bought products. This mixture will last you a long time. Also, clean the sink. Use gloves because of the bleach used. You can also clean the floor and wall tiles with this solution. Everything will be clean and shiny. Discover the secrets of the toilet brush that you probably didn't know about. Unscrew the brush and pour some liquid into it. By cleaning the toilet, you'll immediately have a brush with a liquid that will clean the inside of the toilet bowl. But that's not the only hidden function of such a brush. There's also a brilliant reason why it's worth using such a brush to scrub the floors in the bathroom. Such a brush is perfect for this purpose. We're not talking about the toilet brush you use every day. We only use that brush for cleaning the toilet. But there's a reason why it's worth having a second brush, a new one. Such a brush with stiff bristles has another good use. Prepare a container and pour baking soda into it. Add a small amount of water. Mix the baking soda with water to create a paste. Baking soda is a slightly abrasive substance. It cleans stains, gently whitens, kills mold, and absorbs moisture. Dip the new toilet brush into the baking soda solution. Apply it to the tiles, focusing on the grout lines. Begin gently scrubbing them. The baking soda will slowly start to work, dissolving dirt, stains, and killing mold if it's on the grout lines. The brush with such stiff bristles will perfectly remove all that dirt. Leave the soda on the grout lines for some time, then wipe the tiles with a cloth. After they dry, you'll notice the difference between the grout lines. You clean it with soda and the rest. You can see the difference for yourself. You can see which grout lines were dirty before cleaning and which ones are now clean. And it's all thanks to baking soda and the toilet brush.
Pour this foaming mixture into the toilet and see what happens. This trick is used by housekeepers in 5-star hotels. Thanks to it, you can clean even a heavily soiled toilet, literally without scrubbing. The bubbling foam will do all the work for you. Pour 5 tablespoons of laundry detergent into a bowl. Then add 5 tablespoons of salt. It has disinfectant and strong cleaning properties. Due to its properties, salt can successfully replace harmful chemicals in many situations. Add 50 milliliters of vinegar to the powder. It excellently eliminates bacteria, germs, and mold. It can even tackle very old deposits of limescale that often accumulate under the rim of the toilet bowl. Mix everything together. The mixture will start reacting and foaming immediately. This combination of ingredients acts like an invisible brush. Just pour it into the toilet. It's worth pouring it on the walls as well. Then leave it for several minutes. The active foam will dissolve water deposits and disinfect the inside of the toilet. The bathroom will be filled with a fresh, clean scent in just a few minutes.
A fizzing toilet cleaner that removes limescale and dirt from the ceramic without scrubbing. You don't even need to lift a finger, and it will clean the entire toilet bowl. That's why more and more people are using it. The key to this trick is to follow the recipe precisely. First, heat 1.5 liters of water to 60 degrees Celsius. Once the water in the kettle reaches the right temperature, pour it directly into the toilet. Make sure you pour it directly into the water, not on the sides. Now, you need a few ingredients. The first one is a white, fine powder. Add 3 tablespoons of this powder, regardless of the toilet's condition. The next ingredient is dish soap. Add 1 tablespoon of it to the toilet. Now it's time for the final secret ingredient, a white granulate. In a moment, I'll tell you exactly what these powders are. Add 3 tablespoons of this as well. As soon as you add this ingredient, a reaction will start immediately in the toilet. The water will begin to foam up to the top of the toilet bowl. Leave the toilet for about 30 minutes, then scrub it thoroughly. After scrubbing, just flush everything away. The toilet will be as clean as new. This toilet mixture can remove limescale, urine deposits, and stubborn stains. The 2 powders are baking soda and citric acid combined with dish soap. Plumbers don't want you to know this. When your toilet gets clogged, don't use hot water to dissolve the blockage. You also don't need to buy a plunger that often fails to clear the clog. Today, I'll show you the best method. It's very simple and only requires a trash bag. Here's what to do. Use a regular 60-liter trash bag. Wrap it tightly around the toilet bowl. Once done, lower the toilet seat. The seat should be dry to ensure the bag sticks well. Make sure the bag is stretched properly under the seat with no air getting underneath. It should be tight enough to create a slight springy effect. To further secure the bag, sit on the toilet seat. Now you can try flushing the toilet. If the bag is properly sealed, pressure will build up. The bag will work to clear the blockage. Flush several times if the water tank allows. This should solve the problem without needing to plunge the pipes. You'll be surprised when your toilet is clear again. This trash bag trick will help you avoid unpleasant surprises in the bathroom. It's surprisingly effective if done correctly.